Hi everybody, it's Amy, your sewing teacher. I'm here today to show you how to shorten a zipper. Super simple. Here we go. This is a zipper that I just pulled out of my stash. I have lots of nylon zippers like this that are super long, and I like to use them because I'm able to shorten them to any length. This is an 18-inch or a 46-centimeter nylon zipper. It is a type number 3, which means that it is a shorter zipper tape. And all I'm going to do is show you how to shorten it today. The first thing I like to do is to figure out how long I need of a zipper. I need a 9-inch zipper for the pouch that I'm making. So I'm just going to measure out the 9 inches, and then I'm going to put a safety pin right through 9 1/4. So I need it to be 9 inches. I'm putting the safety pin in at 9 1/4. I'm using black thread and a white zipper for this technique so that you'll be able to see where the thread is at the end. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the zipper, and I'm just going to sew this shut. I'm going to show, sorry about that. I'm going to sew the end of the zipper closed. This is just going to allow me to not have to worry about it separating when I am using it later. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sew. This was at 9 1/4 and I need a 9-inch zipper. So I'm going to sew right over the zipper. Because this is a nylon zipper, there's no problem sewing over it. There is a problem sewing over metal zippers, so I don't recommend this technique for metal zippers. And what you do is you go slowly and you go over the nylon and you go back and you go over and you go back. And so now this zipper will not, the zipper end will not come off the end because we've put a temporary zipper stop on that spot at the 9 inches. I can take out the safety pin and I can cut off the excess zipper. And then I cut my excess zipper off, and I now have a 9-inch zipper ready to be used in a pocket or in a pouch. This prevents the zipper head from coming off at any time during the sewing. And that's it. That's how you shorten a zipper. So that's how you shorten a zipper. Short and sweet. Have a good one.